Hey guys, in today's news update I want to talk about smoking and erectile dysfunction. Over the years there has been a great amount of data showing the link between cigarette smoking and a host of diseases. And recently there's been a number of studies showing the relationship between ED and cigarette smoking. This is Arnold Broad here at Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. Here are 4 quick summaries about smoking and erectile dysfunction with links below this video to the complete articles. The first shows smoking is strongly associated with ED. Currently, smoking is significantly associated with ED, and smoking cessation has a beneficial effect on the restoration of erectile function. The second study says there's a strong association between the intensity of cigarette smoking and the degree of ED. Stopping cigarette smoking can improve ED in a large proportion of smokers. Age and the severity of ED before stopping are inversely related to the chance of improvement. And the third study says there's a substantial evidence showing that cigarette smoking is a risk factor for erectile dysfunction. Multiple human, animal, case series, cross-sectional, and cohort studies support this conclusion. A positive dose-response relation also is suggested, such that increased quantity and duration of smoking correlates with a high risk of erectile dysfunction. And for the last study, while ED tends to be more common as men get older, it can develop at any adult age. A 2005 study suggests that ED is more likely in men who smoked compared with those who did not. But in younger men with erectile dysfunction, cigarette smoking is very likely the cause. And there were at least 12 more studies that I could have cited. The evidence is strong and convincing. Basically, all the articles are saying, quit smoking to improve any ED issues. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about the same topic, just click on either of the 2 video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.